Hello, hello, hello. I am testing to see what's up. I have found that, depending on configuration, and I don't know what, the sound sometimes goes wonky and terrible. So this is using the microphone with the little black thing on it, and I have the receiver marked and turned in one direction. So now, I'm going to take the receiver out. I have marked it. Oh, I'm not sure I can do this. Okay, I have turned the receiver around, and now I will show you how to and see what's what. Oftentimes, like this might produce something, but oftentimes, when things don't go well, I hear a whole lot of wah, 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 and I'm not doing much of anything. So, anyway, so what I'm going to do now, to see what's what, I have a microphone here. I've taken the little cover off. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn this one off. Put it on. Say, well, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? How you doing? And move around a little bit. See what we hear. Then I'll bring this down. I'll pull out the receiver. Still having trouble getting it out. And there, the receiver is back. And the microphone will go back. But I'll put it on my head and say, yo, how's it going, eh? How's it going? Yeah, how are things? See what's what. This should help me figure out why I sometimes get the wonky sound, the wah, 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 wah crap. We'll see. I think what I'm going to do is stop recording, and maybe I'll connect this to a Bluetooth speaker so I can turn it up and see what I see and hear what I hear. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye for now.